Hey, thanks for checking out the WCCO Facebook page. We're going to talk weather with you for a little bit. Now that our storm has passed, we are talking cold. So what did this storm bring us? Well, we got a lot of snow, kind of depending upon where you were. Southern part of the state of Minnesota, as you can see, Albert Lee ended up getting over 9.5 inches of snowfall. Twin Cities 3.5. But making your way into western Wisconsin, Chippewa Falls coming in at a foot of snow. So definitely some snow totals here. Now when it comes to Twin Cities at 3.5 inches, that puts us where when it comes to the snowiest months. We are coming in here at 35.7 inches of snow for the month of February so far. So the sixth snowiest when it comes to overall months, not just for February. We could make a run for number one, but I don't think we're going to make it. We do have a couple more rounds of snow coming up here this week, but by the time we see the heavier snow that could be pushing in for the weekend, we'll already be into March. Wind gusts, of course, that was the other part of the weather story, right? Whiteout conditions, blizzard issues with this storm. Look at New Ulm, ended up getting a 55-mile-per-hour wind gust. Twin Cities coming in at 43, and we are still seeing some stronger winds. Again, they're coming out of the northwest. Even look at this, 45 miles per hour as we look out to Rochester. So that is why we still have the blizzard warning in place for some locations. This is across the southern part of the state of Minnesota and out into western Wisconsin. Blizzard warning does go until 9 p.m. So that's what we'll be tracking. Still looking at some stronger winds. That storm system, it was a very strong storm system. We ended up seeing those strong winds, and it's continued to push its way to the east, but as it does so, we'll see winds start to relax from west-east here, which is why we still have a little bit of a blowing snow issue. After that, the cold. Wind chill advisory goes into place tonight at 9, goes until 8 p.m. tomorrow. Everyone in the blue. So most of the state of Minnesota underneath this wind chill advisory, and for a good portion of western Wisconsin. We're looking at wind chill values tonight that could drop off 25, even 35 degrees below zero. So definitely not the type of temperature trend you want to be out in, right? Look at this, very blue here, unfortunately, probably. Temperature change map, 20, 30 degrees colder right now compared to this time yesterday. So we really saw those temperatures fall off. We call it cold air advection being pulled into Minnesota and also western Wisconsin. So for tonight, actual temperature dropping down to -8. We're pretty much clear. We saw a lot of that cloud cover move out of here today. Some sunshine didn't really warm us up, but we saw some sun. So we'll start off tonight clear, and then we'll start to increase the clouds as we go into tomorrow, and our next system is kind of on the approach. After -8, we climb back to 6. Yeah, I'm sorry, that's all you get for tomorrow. Temperature coming in at 6 degrees, single digits for everyone if you're not below zero, actually. Small chance for some flurries in the Twin Cities. I don't really think it's going to be a great shot, and even if we get that, it's not going to really impact any travel. Further off to the southwest, that's where we'll track that. But we got a couple more rounds of snow once we head into Tuesday, and then going into the weekend, we're going to track another chance of seeing some snowfall. So we're not done yet. Definitely not looking like as big of a system as what we saw with our last one, at least for now, but of course, that could change. Make sure you join us on WCCO News tonight at 10. We'll have the latest details when it comes to the forecast. Stay safe.